These rat bites, babes. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Jam On Productions Indoor Swap Meet in Harrisburg, PA. One of the largest ever. Checking out this rat. This thing's just dirty, filthy, insane, and perfect. This is great.
White spikes everything like Harley. Oh yeah.
Right proper starter, it works. This is Pam from Northeast. There we go. I didn't build it hoping for your approval. I built it because it meets mine. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Jam On Indoor Motorcycle Swap Meet. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, make sure you post and share your events. See you guys at the shows.